series. In today's episode, I'm going to share how to make aloo puffs using Kawan frozen parathas. So let's begin. First, let me show you how I prepare quick aloo stuffing using pressure cooker. Chop the onion and cube the potatoes. Heat up about a tablespoon of oil into the pressure cooker pot. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, rye, urad, curry leaves, and add onion, salt to taste, turmeric powder, haldi, dhania jeera powder, ground coriander, cumin. From the masala paste, green chili paste, hari mirch, and adrak, ginger. When onion is done, add aloo, potato, amchur powder, dry mango powder. Alright, add just a little bit of water. Cover the pressure cooker. Here, 2 whistles. When done, release the pressure manually and open carefully. Stir really well. Alright, so here I have the aloo stuffing, potato filling ready for the aloo puffs. While the stuffing cools down, let's work on parathas. Here I have the frozen parathas. Remove the plastic. Into the baking tray, take some dry flour and place the parathas. Keep dusting flour and let them defrost slightly. Do not wait longer. I just want them to be just so slightly soft so that I can start working with them. Alright, so let me show you how to make puff pastry using frozen parathas. So here I have slightly defrosted paratha. As I said earlier, do not thaw them completely, otherwise they become sticky. Now if you want your puffs to be with many layers, you can use 2 parathas or you can use even single paratha. Single paratha also gives a quite good amount of thickness, but if you want the really flaky with lots of layers of puff pastry, then what you can do, take 1 paratha and apply ghee or butter. Sprinkle flour, place another paratha on top of it, and then sprinkle a little bit more flour on the rolling board and roll and make it bigger. Alright, so roll to expand. Otherwise you will end up making like a mini puff pastry rolls. But combining 2 parathas allow to make larger aloo puffs and of course more layers. Now just cut them into squares and never throw away the sides. Reserve them for later in many recipes, like you can use them for decoration on pie, because these parathas can be used for making pie as well. So I'm going to make remaining puff pastry using parathas. These days I simply love to use frozen parathas for making many recipes. They are not just meant to be go with curries. Now the great thing about using frozen paratha is that you can also use whole wheat parathas to prepare the same recipe. I have used whole wheat frozen parathas as well to prepare empanadas and samosas and all that. They still bring crispy, flaky layer. You know, whole wheat puff pastry is hard to find. So you can make your own whole wheat puff pastry using frozen whole wheat parathas. Alright, so here I have all my puff pastry ready to make aloo puffs now. Alright, so here I have the puff pastry ready made from frozen paratha. And here I have matar, green peas. Into the green peas, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pav bhaji garam masala. gives amazing taste. Just mix it and keep it on the side right now. Just cut from the middle and make 2 puff pastry like this. The aloo masala has cooled down as well, so take aloo masala, green peas on top. Now, if desired, you can mix the green peas with aloo masala, but I prefer to do it this way. If desired, you can also sprinkle some chaat masala for more flavor, and then apply water all over the edge of the puff pastry, or simply use brush to spread water to seal the edges well so that they don't open up when the puff pastry is baked. And to ensure that they don't open up, use fork and just make design like this. So this way it's completely secured. I do it actually on both sides. And to show off the stuffing a little bit, you can make X mark on the top. Don't make too big. And I'm going to prepare the remaining puffs. Place them onto the baking tray. While I finish making all the aloo puffs, I'm going to preheat oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. These days, I simply love how I can just, stock frozen parathas in my freezer and keep on making variety of recipes. Whether it's for after school snack, for unexpected guests, or even for on any regular day, I just simply love to prepare different variety of food recipes. Alright, so here I have all the puffs ready, and the tray is ready to go into the preheated oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until you see nice golden brown color. It's been 20 minutes and the aloo puffs are ready to come out from the oven. Look at them. Nice golden brown color. No one can say aloo puffs made from frozen parathas. Allow them to cool slightly before serving. I am ready to dig into these aloo puffs. Look at the green color on the top. Yummy looking aloo matar puffs. Serve with your favorite sauce or chutney, or even tomato ketchup itself just works fine. Let me show you the inside of the aloo puffs. Look at this flaky layer. My favorite to serve these aloo puffs with chili garlic sauce and masala chai. Yummy combination. I am so ready to dig into this. Hope you can hear the crunch with masala chai. So you saw how easy it is to prepare aloo puffs using Kawan flaky frozen parathas. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere. You can also download Bhavna's Kitchen apps for free on your smartphones, including iOS, Android and many other smartphones. Also, you can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire. Just enjoy however you like. Thanks for watching. See you soon.